At €1,399, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra demands perfection. But does it deliver? Here's what you get. And refills clean water and empties dirty water automatically during mop washing and tank refilling, giving you a hands-free experience like never before. Enjoy continuous, efficient cleaning with minimal effort, ensuring your home remains spotless with ease. Our system ensures that your robot vacuum always operates at peak performance, providing a seamless and hygienic cleaning process for ultimate peace of mind. Reserve a space of at least 30.5 centimeters, 1 foot, in height, 42 centimeters, 1.4 feet, in width, and 100 centimeters, 3.3 feet, in depth. The dock should be placed against a wall on a hard and even floor, wood, tile, concrete, etc. Avoid placing it on soft surfaces, carpet, mat, etc., and in narrow areas. Ensure that the location has a strong Wi-Fi signal for an optimal experience with the mobile app. The height difference at any point on the drainage pipeline from the ground is recommended not to exceed 50 cm, 1.6 feet. The installation distance for the water refill and outlet pipes is recommended within 6 meters, 19.7 feet. And the Roborock Ultra revolutionizes cleaning with automatic hot water mop washing, up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, that effortlessly dissolves stubborn stains from the mop. Its intelligent dirt detection ensures optimal mop washing time and returns to heavily soiled areas for thorough cleanliness. Enjoy a fresh environment with automatic hot air drying, which prevents unpleasant odors. The automatic detergent dispenser provides over 3 months of cleaning support with a single fill, while automatic dust collection, water replenishment, and a self-cleaning base ensure hassle-free maintenance, saving you precious time. With 18,000 pascals of suction, the S8 MaxV Ultra is the most powerful robot vacuum we've tested. It pulls deeply embedded dirt from medium pile carpets in a single pass, outperforming the Dreame L20 Ultra's 8,000 pascals by a wide margin. In our sand removal test, it achieved 99% pickup, making it ideal for pet owners or high-traffic homes. The FlexiArm side mop extends to reach corners and edges, a feature unique to Roborock. In a 30-square-meter room, it cleaned edges 40% more effectively than fixed mop competitors like the Ecovacs X2 Omni. This means far fewer manual touch-ups along baseboards and under furniture. Reactive AI 3.0 obstacle avoidance is top tier, recognizing cables, shoes, and even pet waste with high accuracy. During our test with a cluttered living room, it avoided 95% of objects without getting stuck, which is better than the Ecovacs X2 Omni's 88% rate. This saves you from rescuing the vacuum constantly. The self-cleaning dock washes the mop with fresh water and dries it with hot air in about 2 hours, preventing musty odors. It also auto-empties the dust bin into a sealed bag that lasts up to 7 weeks, so you can ignore maintenance for over a month. The drying is effective enough to leave the mop fully dry, even in humid conditions. Dual rubber brushes are tangle-resistant and handle pet hair beautifully. In 2 weeks of daily use with a long-haired dog, we found 0 hair wrapped around the brushes. This is a huge improvement over bristle brushes that require weekly cleaning, saving you time and frustration. At €1,399, it costs €200 to €300 more than the Dreame L20 Ultra, which offers similar features plus hot water mop washing. While the suction is stronger, the value proposition is weak unless you specifically need maximum carpet cleaning. Many users will find the extra cost hard to justify. The mopping system uses vibration up to 6,000 times per minute rather than rotating pads. For dried-on stains like coffee or mud, it requires multiple passes while rotating mop robots. Like the Ecovacs X2 Omni clean faster in our tests. If you have hard floors with frequent tough spills, this is a notable drawback. The dock is massive, 58 centimeters tall and 37 centimeters deep, requiring significant floor space. It also weighs 15 kilograms, making it a pain to move if you need to relocate it. In smaller apartments, finding a permanent spot can be challenging, especially compared to more compact docks from iRobot. The Roborock app is powerful but cluttered, with menus that overwhelm new users. Setting up routines, no-go zones, and multi-floor mapping takes more steps than necessary. Competitors like iRobot and Dreame offer more intuitive interfaces that get you cleaning faster with less confusion. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is a top-tier robot vacuum with best-in-class suction and edge mopping, but its high price and some compromises in mopping and app ease keep it from being a no-brainer. If you have large carpets and want the most powerful suction, it's a strong choice. For balanced cleaning, consider the Dreame L20 Ultra. If you want to see how it compares to the Dreame L20 Ultra, check the link in the description for our full comparison.